Hello, welcome to PhyzQuest. This is the solution video for CSIR NET December 2019, Part A, question number 10. So the question is, a cyclist cover a certain distance at a constant speed. If a jogger cover half the distance in double the time as the cyclist, the ratio of the speed of the jogger to that of the cyclist is, that's what we need to find out. So 4 options are given and we need to choose the correct option. So here basically there is a comparison. There are two people, a cyclist and a jogger, and there is certain data are given and there is a comparison between them, and basically we need to find out the ratio of their speed. So let's look at the data we have. So we have two people, a cyclist and a jogger. First let's look at the cyclist. So the cyclist covers a distance at constant speed. So let us suppose the distance covered by the cyclist is equal to d. The speed of the cyclist is equal to v. Now according to the formula for the velocity is equal to distance by time. So that means v is equal to d divided by t, where t is the time taken by the cyclist to cover the distance d. Now let's consider the other person, that is the jogger. So the jogger covers half the distance of the cyclist. So now the distance covered by the jogger is equal to d prime. Let us suppose, now since it covers half the distance of the cyclist, so that means d prime is equal to d by 2. So it takes the jogger to cover that distance, that is double the time that of the cyclist. So if t prime is the time taken by the jogger to cover the distance d prime, this t prime, since it takes double the time, so t prime is equal to twice of t, that is the time taken by the cyclist. Now let us suppose here our purpose of the question here is we need to find out the ratio of the speed of the jogger to the speed of the cyclist. Now we have the speed of the cyclist, we have to calculate the speed of the jogger. So speed of the jogger, let us suppose it is v prime. So v prime is equal to d prime divided by t prime. Now d prime is equal to d by 2 and t prime is equal to 2t, which is equal to d by 4t. So now we have both v and v prime. So let's calculate the ratio. The ratio is v prime divided by v. So v prime is d by 4t and v is d by t, which comes out as 1 by 4, or the ratio is 1:4. Now let's look at the option. Now if you look at the option A is saying 1:4. So A is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.